Hello everyone, if you are a UI UX designer or graphic designer, then I think this video is very helpful for you, because in this video I will show you a website. From that website you will remove the background of your model image which you will use in your UI UX design or graphic design project. Suppose this is your model image and you wanted to remove this background of this man. So for this you have to visit remove.bg, this website, and after that you have to upload your model image in this website. So I just upload my image like by clicking here like this, and after that I have to go the image location. Like this is my image location, this is my selected image, so I have to click this image. So I'm clicking it, and after that I just open, and few times later this image will be backgroundless. So this is backgroundless image. So you have to download this image to use it in your UI UX or graphic design project. So I am downloading it. So I just click here download, and my image already downloaded. So this is my backgroundless image. i'm just uh, I'm just open it in my browser. So this is my backgroundless image, and this is original image. So this is how you can remove the background of your image. So for this you have to go remove.bg, this website, and after came to this website you have to upload your desired image, selected image. So this is how you can remove the background of your image. Actually this is my very new YouTube channel. So I am uploading UI UX design and graphic design related video, or such type of video which is very helpful for UI UX designer or graphic designer. So if you are interested in this topic, then please I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends, colleagues, and other people who are interested in this field. So that's all about my today's video. Thank you very much.